Okay, guys, we are on page 205, compare and order integers. Detail your box and just focus with me here. Now, guys, we know the number line. The number line has 0 at the middle, here positive, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and go on. And here negative 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and go on. Now, to compare between positive numbers like 1 and 5, we know that the 5 is bigger. But if we have negative 1 and negative 5, the negative 1 is bigger. Why? Because in the negative, guys, okay, I'll ask a question for you. I'll take Tamim. Tamim.
Yes, Mister.
Tamim, I'll ask you a question. What's better for you, to lose 1 riyal or to lose 5 riyal?
No, Mister, to host 1 real.
To lose 1 riyal is better. So it's bigger to have negative 1 than to have negative 5. Get it?
Yeah.
So guys, negative 1 is bigger than negative 5, but 5 is bigger than 1. In the negative, guys, the bigger number, which is the closer to the 0. If the number is closer to the 0, it will be bigger. But in the positives, the bigger number, which is the farther from the 0. So here 5 is farther than 1 from the 0, so the 5 is bigger. But in the negative integers, negative 1 is closer to the 0 than the negative 5, so negative 1 is bigger than negative 5. For example, if we have negative 3 with negative 17, negative 3 with negative 17. Negative 3 is bigger, is closer to the 0 than negative 17. So negative 3 is bigger. For example, if we have negative 100 with negative 1, negative 100 with negative 1, negative 100 will be here, guys, but negative 1 is closer to the 0 than negative 100. So negative 1 is bigger. Negative 1 is bigger than negative 100. For example, if we have 0 with negative 99, 0 with negative 99, 0 is bigger. So as much as you are closer to the 0 in the negatives, as much as you are bigger than any other negative integers. But if we have positive and negative, 1 with negative 100, the one is bigger. Any positive number is bigger than any negative number. This is how we compare between integers. And to order, guys, means to put them from least to greatest or greatest to least. For example, if we have the integers negative 3 with negative 7 with 0, 1, negative 8. Now to compare between them from least to greatest, from least to greatest, okay? From least to greatest, the least number here is negative 8, then negative 7, then negative 3, then 0, then 1. So the 1 is the greatest number. Negative 8 is the least number, okay? This is how to compare, how to order from least to greatest or from a greatest to least, depends on the question. Now, if you have any questions, guys, how to compare or how to order, put your hands, please. Ammar.
So can you repeat the greatest to least?
Which one is the greatest number, the least number here, yeah, Ammar? Here.
8.
Not 8. There is no 8 here.
3.
There is no 8 and there is no 3 here, you mister. There is no 8. And there is 0. The 0 is not the least number. ما في 8 ولا في 3 here.
Negative 8.
What's this? What's this, semester? This is 8?
No, negative 8.
What's this?
Negative.
Why you don't say negative 8?
I forgot.
Mister, we have 8 and we have negative 8. These are different. These are not the same. They are not equal. This is positive and this is negative. They are not the same. Okay, Ammar?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Now here, what is the least number?
-8.
Then -7, then -3, then 0, and the greatest is what? Is 1. Now look to me here. What is the best for you? Is to lose 10 riyal or to lose 7 riyal? What is the best for you?
7.
7. To lose 7. So -7 is bigger, right?
Yes.
But what is the best for you? To win or to gain 10 riyal or to gain 7 riyal? What is the best for you?
10.
10. So in the positive, we compare normally. But in the negative, we take a look to the negatives. The -7 here is bigger than -10. Got it?
Mister, if you have one negative and one positive, the positive always will be
Positive always, يا مستر, is bigger. يعني مين أحسن? You lose 10 riyal or you win 7 riyal? Which one is better?
no one.
To win. The positive always bigger than any negative. Means positive 1 is bigger than negative million. Got it?
Get it.
أنو أحسن؟ أربح ريال ولا أخسر مليون ريال؟ أنو أحسن؟
4 ريال.
أربح ريال، صح ولا لا؟
صح.
Good.
Sir, I have a question.
يلا أبي talk.
No, Mr. Tamim.
Who are you?
Tamim, Mr.
Tamim,
Tamim.
then me.
يلا تميم talk.
Yes,
Wait
Mr.
يا
Okay,
أبي.
Mr. If we put a negative 10, a negative 10, and positive 10, the greatest it's positive
The
10.
greater. Just positive 10 ولا؟ أنو أحسن تخسر 10 ريال ولا تكسب 10 ريال؟
No way, Mr.
See, so positive 10 is bigger than negative 10. طيب, here 10 and positive 10. Which one is bigger يا تميم?
Mr. Equal.
They are equal because both are what here?
10.
Are positive.
طيب مين كمان؟
Me, Mister.
أبي؟ Yes
I have
أبي
two
talk.
questions. Two questions. If
Yes.
you put 10 and positive 10, they are equal. Yeah.
Yeah, because
If we
10 is
put
the
it-
same of positive 10.
If you put it the same but in negative, 1 10 negative and 1 10, we will put also equal.
Like this.
Yeah.
Is this negative يا مستر؟
No.
طيب. How come?
Okay. Mister, in positive we will do on the smaller, and the but positive we will do normally, and negative we will do on the smaller.
Exactly.
Thank
But
you,
I need to I need you to know why.
because
Why?
because
Look here.
negative.
Look here. Look here. Look here. Negative is losing, right?
Yeah.
Positive is what?
Yeah.
Winning, right?
Yeah.
Look to me, Mr. Do not look down. Look here. I see you. Now, which best for you? To lose, to lose 12 riyal or to lose 5 riyal? Which best for you?
5.
5. To lose 5. So negative 5 is bigger than negative 12, right?
Right.
But which is best for you? To win 12 riyal or to win 5 riyal? Which is bigger?
12.
12. See? You got it now? Why?
Yeah.
Good boy. Now let's go to example 1 on this lesson. Page 206. Read Ya Ubay.
206.
Example 1.
Justin has a score of -5 on the trivia game.
Okay, Justin
He's
Cam. Wait. Justin Cam,
has
negative
score
5.
of -5.
Udesiri,
Desiree score -3.
negative 3. Sorry. Continue.
Write an inequality to compare the
Inequality.
scores.
Read it.
Inequality.
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 أيوة.
Write an inequality to compare the scores. Then explain the meaning of the inequality.
Look here. All of you guys, look here. What we call this? This we call it inequality. هاد هيك بنسميه inequality. Inequality. هدول شو بنسميهم؟ Inequality. Okay? So to write inequality means to put the numbers and compare between them. To put the numbers and compare between them. This is the inequality. طب I will choose Rayyan.
Yes, Mr.
Muhsin, wait. Rayyan, which one is greater here? Compare -5 or -3?
-3.
-3. This is the inequality, guys. Write it beside the example. يلا شوف. This is the inequality. Write it beside the example. Now, the second part, they said, explain this inequality. -3 for Desiree means Desiree scores more or less?
More.
Scores more. So here, the explanation, Desiree scores more. More points or more whatever in the game. Let's go to the check. Under this example, guys, we have check. I'll select Muhsin there. Where are you, Muhsin? Come back. يلا يا محسن.
Yes, Mr.
Copy. Sorry, read the check. Under this example, we have check يا محسن. Read it.
Okay. Andrew and his father.
Andrew يا محسن. Andrew.
Andrew and his father are
hiking
near Shakely
Box Canyon.
Their
current elevation
in relation
to sea level.
The level is 28.
وين ال 28 يا مستر؟ ركز.
38 negative.
This is not 38 يا محسن. This is not 38.
Negative 38.
أيوة, it is negative 38. Continue.
Feet.
أيوة, and the canyon has an elevation.
Negative 83.
Good. So we have Andrew and his father.
Negative 83.
It is negative 38. And the canyon down, it is negative 83, right, yeah, mister?
Yes.
Andrew and his father, negative 38. Canyon, negative 83. Which one is bigger, yeah, Muhsin? Negative 38 or negative 83?
Negative 38.
Mumtaz. So negative 38 is bigger than negative 83. This is what? This is the inequality, guys. Write it under the question. Part A. See part A, yeah, Muhsin, read.
Part B or part A?
Part A, read part A, right?
Write an
inequality
to compare the elevation.
The elevations.
Yeah.
elevation يا محسن.
ايش اساسي
Good.
elevation.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now we will write the inequality, guys. We said before, the inequality is to write the numbers and compare between them. This is the inequality. So write it under part A. This is for part A, okay?
Yeah.
Yalla, write part A. Now part B, we will compare or we will explain this. What does this mean? We are under sea level, by the way. Means that Andrew and his father is more closer to the sea level than the canyon. The canyon negative 83, but Andrew and his father is negative 38. So what we will write in part B, guys, Andrew and his father, write with me, are closer to the sea level This is part A, guys, and this is part B. Andrew and his father are closer to the sea level. What we call this, guys, we call it the inequality for the question. So if the question wants the inequality, you put the numbers and compare between them which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Here the bigger is negative 38, the smaller is negative 83. Mohsen,
Yes.
do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
Good boy.
Mr. Andrew and his father what? Andrew and his father what?
Are closer to the sea level. مين أقرب للبحر؟ Andrew and his father ولا الكانيون اللي تحت؟
Andrew and his father.
Look here, guys. This is the sea level, okay? This is the sea level. Look at the board, please.
Yeah.
This is the sea level, right?
Yeah.
Now, Andrew and his father, negative 38 feet. But the canyon, negative 83 feet. Which is the closer for the sea level?
38.
38.
Negative 38. And negative 38 for whom, guys? For Andrew and his father. So Andrew and his father are closer to the sea level. On the sea, guys, on the sea, شو بهمنا أحسن؟ إحنا لما ننزل تحت المي، أنو أحسن نكون قريبين من السطح ولا ننزل تحت ونغرق ونموت؟
Mr.
Can be in the sea level.
غواصة.
Be the near in the sea level.
There are two students are talking. I cannot focus with two students. Amim, what do you want?
Nothing, Mr.
Tamim.
Nothing. Only you say you wish the.
Here, what is the who are the closer, guys? Which one is the closer to the sea level?
Yes, Mr. Andrew and his father.
Exactly. That's why Andrew and his father is bigger than the canyon depth down. Get it?
Yeah.
Mr. Canyon means like غواصة.
What?
Canyon.
Canyon like a small valley inside the sea down. Get it? I think. I'm not sure. Search it in the dictionary. Right. Let's go to the next example. Example 2, quickly.
Mr. Can answer.
Example 2. No, I want. I have Hamza Amr here. Hamza.
Missed.
Yalla ya Hamza. Example 2, go.
Okay. Example 2. The table shows the lowest accessible elevations for 7 continents.
Okay. In the table, what we have, ya Hamza?
Antarctica,
Aywa. And
Australia,
and
North America,
North America and
South America.
this is written in your book, guys. Do not write now. Now, in the Antarctica, how much is the lowest elevation?
-50.
Ash?
-50.
-50. Australia?
Negative 15.
بسرعة. -15. North
And
America?
negative 86.
86.
Yeah. And
And
negative,
South America?
negative 105.
105. Continue. Read the question now.
Order the continents from least to greatest.
حلو. خلاص. From least to where?
Greatest.
To the greatest. طيب يا حمزة. Can you tell me what is the least elevation between them? حمزة.
The least 105.
There's no 105 يا مستر here.
-105.
أيوة. -105. Then
-86.
86. Then
-50.
-50. Then
-50.
-15 is the greatest, right? -105 for what? For South America. -86 for
North America.
North America, right? -50 for Australia. And -15 for Antarctica, right?
Yeah.
This is the ordering from least to
No, mister. The Australia is negative 15. The Australia negative 15.
نعم. The greatest one is -15. Let's see the book, what they wrote in the book, guys. Hamza, are you with me?
Yes.
Read here. Which continent?
Which continent has the least accessible elevation?
Which one has the least? Mean,
South America.
South America.
which is South America, right?
Yeah.
Yalla, write South America, guys, here in your book. Top down. Read يا حمزة. Which
Continent has continent has the greatest accessible elevation?
Which one is the greatest?
Australia.
No.
Yes, Mr. Australia.
Mr. Australia, yeah,
No.
I told you that. No, Mr. It's Australia. See in the book.
Australia.
Yes.
Oh, لا أنا مخربط. Okay, sorry. أنا مخربط معلش.
It's okay.
This is Antarctica, right?
Yeah.
And this is Australia. So Australia is the greatest, صح? So right here Australia, guys. يلا. Now, let's go to the check together, guys. Thank you, Hamza. محمد كامل. محمد كامل. محمد كامل. Again, محمد كامل. محمد, check your mic, please.
He have 2 accounts.
Mister, he has 2 accounts.
One for camera and one for.
What's the other account, Ad?
There's another one.
Mr. The another one, right, Muhammad Kamil and you.
I found it.
You have to change the name to write Muhammad Kamil Kamira and Muhammad Kamil Mark.
Yes, Mister, it's so noisy. I'm sorry. It's so noisy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I cannot do that. طيب. فيصل. محمد كامل, fix your mic, please. طيب. شكري. Faisal, are you here? Shukri, yalla.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla, Shukri, go. Read the check.
Check. The table shows Kesha's cell phone use over the last 4 months.
Hello.
Positive values indicate the number of minutes she had remaining.
Tamam.
And negative values indicate the number of minutes she went over. Arrange the months from the fewest to most minutes remaining at the end of each month.
Hello. Type.
First one,
In the table, yeah. Go to the table now. What they wrote here?
month.
And there,
Number of minutes over under.
خلاص, number of minutes. Okay. Now, the number of minutes for February is what? Tell me.
Negative 156.
March.
12.
12. April.
0.
May.
Negative 45.
Negative 45. What the question wants, ya Shukri?
To arrange them
From
the fewest
أيوة.
till to the greatest.
From fewest.
From fewest to most
from
minutes.
Few, right? Fewest means what? Least. مش هيك؟
Least. Yeah.
Fewest to
most of minutes.
اللي هو ايش اسمه؟ The greatest, صح؟
Yeah.
يلا, give me the order of the numbers يا مستر. What's the fewest here?
Negative 156. February.
Then
negative 45. May.
Then
0. April.
Then
March 12.
Now, like this, guys, I will write arrows and write the name of the month for each. For negative 156, February. Negative 45, which is May. 0 is for April. And 12 for March. So the fewest of them, guys, is February. And the month with the most minutes is March. Copy the answer, guys, on the space under the check, please. Now, if you don't have any questions, guys, remove your hands, please. Your homework for today is questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 8. Page
213.
Let me check. 213, yeah.
Teacher, we have from 1 till 7.
لا ركز يا حبيبي، شو مكتوب؟ الله يسعدك. شو مكتوب؟
اوكي.
ايش مكتوب؟ 1 2 3 4 7 and 8.
Okay.
Now the idea of 5 and 6 we will take it inshallah later on in separate lesson called absolute value also. So your homework is 1 2 3 4 7 and 8. If you don't have any questions, guys, remove your hands. If you have any questions, keep it. We have Ubay, Hamza, Muhammad Kamil, Tamim. Hamza.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, what's your question?
Mr. If you have 0 and negative 156.
0 and negative 156.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, Mr.
Which one is bigger?
0.
طبعا 0. Which one is best for you? To not lost or gain any money, or to lost 156, yeah, mister?
No, don't get or
Don't
lose.
lose is better than losing, right?
Yes.
So 0, yes, is bigger than this number for sure.
Thank
Got
you.
it? Ammar.
Yes, Mr. Mr. I have a question in the homework.
What?
In question 7, I don't understand it.
In the next homework?
Yes, Mr. In 213.
انت يعني بلشت حليت 1 2 3 4 ورحت على 7 ولسه مش فاهمه، يعني انت حليت الهوم.
لا ما حليته، بس انا
ولا؟
بسألك.
اها. Be careful يا عمار, be careful. You know me.
يلا خلاص.
Overpar. What's the meaning of overpar, Mr. Plus or minus?
Overpar plus.
And underpar, what does this mean?
Minus.
And the 2 overpar also.
Also plus.
So order the players from least to greatest. ايش المشكلة؟
Nothing.
See? Okay, guys, thank you so much. Tamim, stop it. And Tamim, please try to send it as fast as you can. Thank you so much. And